So this is Dr. Kavita Singh, Associate Professor in Department of Civil Engineering in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. So today we'll be discussing the topic called as physical properties of chlorite, kyanite and garnet. So these are the few more minerals. In the previous lectures we have already discussed the asbestos, feldspar. Many of the minerals we have already discussed. So we are going to discuss few more minerals which are useful in our construction industry, in our day-to-day life. It's very important in our all the construction field. So that we'll be discussing today as a engineering geology part. So let us start with the lecture today. So we'll be discussing about the chlorite, kyanite and garnet. So let us start with the chlorite. So chlorite is a group of minerals that is primarily consists of hydrous. It is consists of hydrous, aluminium silicate with a high iron content, and it occurs in the metamorphic and igneous rocks. So the chloride occurs in the metamorphic rock, it occurs in the igneous rocks. So I hope you remember what is metamorphic and what is igneous rocks. So if we just remember, if you recall, igneous rocks are the rocks which are formed by the volcanic eruptions with the lava or magma, and metamorphic rock when the lava or magma with this igneous rocks or sedimentary rock or metamorphic rock itself, when it goes to the heat and pressure conditions, then it forms as a metamorphic rock. So basically this chloride is found in the metamorphic and igneous rocks and has a green color, often found in the clay-like forms. So color will be green, dark green, and streak is greenish white. So the streak of this kind of mineral is greenish to white. So basically when you see chloride, it will be in dark green color and the streak will be greenish to white. Now luster is pearly to vitreous and hardness is 2 to 2.5. So hardness is 2 to 2.5. That means it's a soft kind of mineral. It's a very soft kind of minerals due to the presence of chloride here. It's a aluminium silicate. So easily it can break off into pieces, and cleavage, it has a perfect one direction cleavage. So when you try to break, it has a direction of one direction. It will be totally break in a flat surfaces. So it has a cleavage of one direction. Specific gravity is 2.6 to 3.3. Crystal system is monoclinic. Other properties flexible but not elastic. So it is flexible in nature but it is not elastic, and it is found in a low grade metamorphic rock. So if you find in the metamorphic rock, this chlorite is found in the low grade of metamorphic rock. So this is how the chlorite looks like in a different color, greenish kind of color if we see. So this kind of mineral we talk about chlorite. Now, what are the various applications here? So first one is geological and petrographic studies. So if you talk about geological and petrographic study, so in this kind of application, it is used as an indicator mineral. So it is used as an indicator mineral. So chlorite is often used in the indicator in the geological studies, especially in the metamorphic petrology. So what is petrology? Basically, the petrology is the study of rocks. So we study of rocks. When you study of rocks, so as it is found in the metamorphic rock, this kind of mineral, it is used as an indicator in the geological study to identify the metamorphic rocks. So understand the coordinates, conditions, and the history of rock formation. So which will tell by identification of these kind of rocks or the minerals in the metamorphic rock, that will tell you the history of the rock formation. Metamorphic phases and studies. It's used in identifying the study low to medium grade of metamorphic rocks. So as it is found in the low to medium grade of metamorphic rock, it will be helpful in identifying in low to medium grade of metamorphic rocks. Water treatment. So chlorite, when in the certain chemical forms, chlorite is used as a chemical form such as the sodium chloride, and it is utilized in the water treatment process to disinfect the water and remove the contaminants from it. So soil remediation, if you talk about soil remediation, chlorite minerals can be involved in the process of remediating the soil, contaminating with the heavy metals, other pollutants, often through a process of stabilization and absorption. So it helps in the remediation of the soil, it helps in the involvement process of the contaminated to removal of the or remediating the soil or contaminated with the heavy metals or other pollutants, and it's helpful in stabilization or absorption. Manufacturing of ceramic products, due to its alumina and silica content, chloride can be used in the manufacturing of ceramics. It can be used in the manufacturing of ceramics, especially in the production of fire resistant bricks and tiles. Lubricants and greases, chloride is sometimes used in lubricants. It is used in lubricants, particularly in the high temperature conditions. Its natural properties help to improve the stability of the certain greases. Now, battery and technology, some of the research suggests that chloride, its derivatives may have the potential applications in the energy storage technologies like batteries, although this is still in an emerging area of the study. Now, medical uses in certain forms, chloride like sodium chloride has been proposed to use in the alternative medicines. So, through there are different significant health concerns associated with its uses and in the human treatment. Now, kyanite. So, kyanite is another mineral. It's another mineral. So, it's a high pressure aluminium silicate mineral. So, it's a high pressure aluminium silicate mineral that is typically found in the metamorphic rocks. So, this mineral also it is found in the metamorphic rock under the high pressure conditions. So wherever the high pressure conditions are there, so it is found in this kind of metamorphic rock. So it has a unique characteristics. It's different crystallographic. Its different crystallographic directions have a different hardness, and this anisotropy trophy gives kyanite some special properties and the potential uses. Now it has a color blue, white, gray, green. So it comes under blue color, it comes under white color, it comes under gray and green color. So it has a streak of white. So even though if it is blue, white, gray, green, the streak of this kyanite will be white in color. So what is streak? If you remember, streak is a powder form of mineral. So when you make the powder of blue kyanite, you make the powder of white kyanite or gray or green. So any of this, if you try to make the powder of it, so it will be color as white in color. So if you try to streak it on the streak plate, it will be white in color, and it has a vitesse to pearly and 4.5 parallel to length of 7. Hardness is 4.5. So 4.5 is the medium hardness. It's not too tough. It is not too soft. It's a medium hardness, and 7 perpendicular to length. Now, cleavage, if you talk about cleavage, it has a perfect in one direction cleavage. It comes in a one direction cleavage, and the specific gravity is 3.5 to 3.7. Crystal system is triclinic. Other properties, bladed crystal habit, forms under the high pressure and metamorphism. Now, refractives and the applications here, if you talk about the applications, so refractoriness and high temperature materials, so refractive products. So due to its high melting point and excellent thermal stability, kyanite is commonly used in manufacturing refractive materials. So it has a high melting point, it has an excellent thermal stability. So that's the reason it is used in the refractive materials, and it's particularly used in the production of fire bricks, clean linings, and other materials that need the withstand extreme heat. Ceramics, kyanite is used as a high performance ceramics, particularly in the industries where materials must endure thermal shock and high pressure, high temperatures, aerospace and automotive. So this is how the kyanite looks like. If you see, we have different kinds of texture, different kinds of material kyanite is formed. Now, industrial uses, if you see industrial minerals in ceramic production, so it is used in a porcelain and stoneware. Where and kyanite is added to porcelain and other high-end ceramics to improve their strength, to improve their durability and resistant to the thermal shock. And mullite formation. Mullite formation, kyanite is often used to produce mullite. It is often used to produce a mullite, a high temperature material that is used in furnaces or linings. So kyanite is used as a furnace linings and catalytic converters. It is used as a catalytic converters and some advanced ceramic materials. It is used for the in a mullite formation, and it is also used as abrasives. What is abrasives here? So kyanite, because it's a kyanite's hardness, it makes it useful as abrasive in various grinding and polishing applications. So wherever the grinding and polishing applications are there, so that it is used as abrasives, and it can be used in manufacture abrasive products such as grinding wheels, sandpaper, especially when a high level of precision is required. High level of precision is required. Now, geological and mineralogical studies. Geological and mineralogical studies. Indicator mineral in geological research, kyanite serves as an important indicator. It serves as an important indicator mineral for studying the metamorphic environments. To study the metamorphic environment, it will always help the indicator, the geologist, to find out about the important indicator for studying the metamorphic environment here. So its formation conditions can reveal. Its formation conditions can reveal information about the pressure, temperature, history of the surrounding rock. And petrological studies, if you talk about petrological study, kyanite presence in rocks helps the geologist to understand the pressure conditions of rock formation, especially in the high pressure and metamorphic settings. Now, as a composite material and advanced technology, it works as a composite material in the advanced technology. So, reinforcement in the composites, kyanite is sometimes used as a reinforcing agent. It is used as a reinforcing agent in the composite materials, particularly for high performance applications where heat resistance and mechanical strength are important, and aerospace and automotive sectors. Now, jewelry and decorative uses. So when you talk about jewelry and decorative uses, so gemstone kyanite can be sometimes cut and polished into gemstones. So whenever it is required as a jewelry, so it can be cut into pieces or it can be cut as a jewelry, as a gemstone. So the blue variety, which is most common, is used in the fine jewelry. So blue variety here, if you go back to the previous slide here, this one, this can be used as a jewelry. Okay, it can be used in the jewelry, and variety is most commonly used in the fine jewelry. However, kyanite is a relatively soft and prone to cleavage. It is prone to cleavage. So it is less popular than the gemstone in the fine jewelry. Specialty stones, if you see specialty stones, it is also used in the collectors and items and decorative stones applications. Through its use is not as widespread spread as other minerals like sapphires. So in the petroleum and gas drilling, so mud additive kyanite is used in the drilling muds or oil gas drilling operations. So the mineral highly density and thermal properties help to improve the efficiency of drilling by keeping the drill bits cool, aiding in the removal of debris. And in potential in future technologies, so energy storage, other novel uses, while still under research, some studies suggest that kyanite and its derivatives could have a potential in energy storage systems or other novel high performance material and applications. So kyanite's ability to withstand, it has the ability to withstand with extreme conditions combined with its unique physical properties and makes it valuable material across a range of industrial and scientific applications. So it has a ability to withstand with any kind of extreme conditions combined with unique physical properties. Now, garnet. So this is also one of the mineral which comes under the silicate group of minerals. So garnet is a group of silicate minerals known for their hardness. It's known for their hardness, which makes them highly valuable, in various industrial applications. So garnet comes in several colors. But most common type of garnet used in industries red, green, and brown. So garnet in the industry, it is used as a red color, blue, green color, and brown in color. So what are the various colors if we see of the garnets? We have red color, we have brown color, green, yellow, black. So even though we have these different colors, we have red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. We have not 6, 5 colors. The streak of these all is white. So if you make this red color in a powder form, it will be white in color. Brown also white in color, green also white in color, yellow also white in color, black also will be white in color when you make into a powder form. So here we have a vitreous to resinous, the luster, and hardness here is 6.5 to 7.5. So it's hard enough to break. So the hardness of garnet is too hard. It is having a hardness of 6.5 to 7.5, and the cleavage is none here. So there is no cleavage. So basically the garnet looks like this. Okay, you can see here we have different colors here. So garnet is used as a gemstone. Specific gravity is 3.5 to 4.3. Now crystal system is isometric as a cubic, and other properties here found in the metamorphic and igneous rock. So granite is found in the metamorphic rock, it is found in the igneous rock, used as an abrasive and gemstone, and it has different colors here. You can see here we have different types of colors here, which can be used as a jewelry. So as an abrasive, garnet is used as a water jet cutting. So garnet is widely used in water jet cutting due to its hardness and angular shape. So because it's a high kind of material, it is used as a water jet cutting to and highly used as a hardness and angular shape. It can cut through a material like glass, stone, ceramics. With a high precision, garnet is often used as a abrasive material in these cutting systems. Sandblasting. Used in sandblasting, garnet's abrasive properties makes it ideal for sandblasting or abrasive blasting, or to clean the each surfaces, and it's commonly used in cleaning rust, old paint, contaminants from the metal, concrete, and other materials. Grinding and polishing. Garnet is used in the manufacturing of grinding the materials, grinding waste, polishing pads, and abrasive papers. It's especially useful in the applications requiring finer finish, so such as polishing the metals or ceramics. Water filtration, it is also helpful in the water filtration. So filtration media, garnet is used as a water filtration system due to its hardness and high density. It serves as a filter media in both industrial and residential filtration systems, effectively removing the particles. It helps in effectively removing the particles and impurities from water. And aquarium filtration, it is also used in aquarium filtration systems, helping to remove the particulate matter from water, creating a cleaner environment for aquatic life. Gemstone. So as you have seen, it comes in many colors. So it is used as a jewelry. Garnet, particularly red varieties such as prio, alumidine, and androdite, is popular in gemstone used in the jewelry. It's prized for its brilliant color, relatively high durability, making it suitable for rings, necklaces, and fine jewelry pieces. And various varieties of garnet. There are various types of garnet with colors ranging from red color, orange color, brown color, even colorless. So the most valuable garnet varieties are typically those with the rich color and high clarity. Geological studies. Indicator mineral. Garnet is used by the geologist. It is used by the geologist as an indicator mineral for studying the metamorphic rocks. So the specific type of garnet present can provide insight into the pressure and the temperature conditions under the which a rock formed, helping the geologist to understand the history of earth crust in the given area. So industrial applications and in a aerospace application. So as a polishing glass and metals, it's also used in polishing the glass and metals. So garnet is used as a fine polishing in the production of glass, metal parts, and in the ceramics, and its hard, sharp crystals help to achieve smooth finishes in the products like optical lenses and precision machines parts, jet engine components. Some specialized garnet materials are used in the aerospace industry for making the jet engine for components where the durability and the heat resistance are critical. As a paint and coatings, so garnet is also used in the paint and coatings like surface preparation. So garnet is a sometimes it is used in the production of coatings and paints, particularly in industries that require the anti-corrosion coatings. It is also helpful in the anti-corrosion coatings, and it is used to clean the prepare surface, clean and prepare the surfaces for painting, for ensuring the better adhesion and durability of the coatings. And when you talk about landscaping and decorative uses, so ground cover and decoration. So garnet specially, it is in the crushed form can be used in the landscaping as a ground cover or decorative stone in gardens, pathways, and the water features. And unique textures, its rich color and natural hardness make it as a decorative choice in the terrazzo flooring and other surface finishes. And environmental remediation, so as an environmental remediation, heavy metal removal. So garnet can be used as a heavy metal removal also. Garnet is sometimes used in the environmental remediation efforts to remove the heavy metals from water or from soil due to its ability to absorb the contaminants, to absorb the particulate matters from the air and water. So it is used as a heavy metal environmental remediation efforts, and it is also used as a removal of heavy metals from the water or the soil. Now, pulp and paper industry, when you talk about pulp and paper industry, so garnet is used in the pulp and paper industries for the various purposes, including the refining the fibers and improving the quality of the paper and the products. So, these are the few of the topics we have discussed here about the different properties of chlorite, kyanite, and garnet, so which is useful in the various fields in the remediation process or removal of the heavy metal due to the soil, its ability and absorb contaminants from the particulate matter. So it is various industries, it's very much useful in hugely widely applicable in the various industries. Now, these are the few of the references you can just go through to find out the more content about different types of applications of chlorite, kyanite, and garnet in the various fields and its applications in the industry. To just go through this all textbooks or reference books for finding out the more content about it. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.